Welcome back to MOTOBLADE, everyone. Today I am doing something a little bit new and exciting on the Chieftain. I am going to another country. I mean, it's Canada, but you know, it still counts, right? So the reason I'm going to Canada on my motorcycle is the nearest Indian dealer to me I thought was down in Albany, New York. Because when I punch it in on the American Indian website, it shows that as my nearest dealer. Well, I was messing around with Ride Command on here the other day, and it showed that my nearest Indian dealer was actually over the border in Canada, but those weren't showing on the US website. So we're heading over to Canada. I'm going to check out their service department and talk to the guys up there, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to test ride the new FTR 1200. I really want to get my hands on that. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, I discovered this, I guess, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I haven't had a passport since I was a kid. So I went to the post office, did a rush order on a passport. That came yesterday, so we are on our way to Canada. The border crossing is up here in about 8 miles. There's a border crossing a whole lot closer to my house. However, when you cross over into Canada, the roads get really kind of sparse and kind of crappy in this area. So by going a little bit further in the US before I turn north into Canada, I will have a straighter shot on a better highway directly up to Montreal, which is where we're headed. I think it's called Matthias Power Sports and Matthias Marine. They've got like water jet skis there and all kinds of cool stuff. So it should be a fun day. We're just going to go explore a little bit. So my plan here is I would like to film the border crossing and get that little experience on tape. But if they don't allow me to do that, then I will see you guys once I cross over the border into Canada. Yep.
So where are you off to?
There's an Indian motorcycle dealer up near Montreal. I think it's like an hour and a half away. It's my first time going up to it. Okay. It's closer than the 3 hours down in New York, so.
So what you gotta go to the dealer?
I need to have my oil changed, so I want to see if they can do that for me up there. And
okay. You don't have a rendezvous?
I don't have what?
A rendezvous? You don't have an appointment?
No.
You just plan on going there and hoping to have room for you?
Yeah, I've never seen the dealership before, so I'm just going for my first time.
So where'd you buy your bike then?
Tennessee.
Okay.
I used to live down there, and then my wife and I moved up there last year.
Okay. So anything to declare for you, sir?
I'm sorry?
Anything to declare anything to be left here?
Nope.
Are you traveling with any alcohol, tobacco?
Bottle of water, that's it.
Any weapons, firearms,
Nope.
offensive weapons of any kind?
Nope.
And do you have a criminal record?
Nope.
Ever been in front of a judge for whatever reason?
Nope.
Alright, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
So one other thing I love about the Chieftain is when I crossed back there, you just saw me just switch it out on the screen. I went from miles to kilometers, and it digitally adjusts my speedometer needle for me and my fuel range. So I kind of wish the fuel range was not in kilometers, but that's alright. So that was pretty painless. I just wanted to know some questions. Was I smuggling anything, basically? And he wanted to know if I had a rendezvous or an appointment up at the Indian dealer. I guess it kind of took him by surprise. I didn't have an appointment to go up there and go to the Indian dealer. I just like going to motorcycle dealers. I didn't know that was a cross-border crime. But that was pretty easy to get through, and we are on our way up there. I think my GoPro battery is about to die here. So when we get closer to the dealer, I will start it back up, and then we'll see what the dealer has to offer. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Canada's super fast, y'all. We're doing 110 on our way to Montreal. We're gonna get there in no time. I think that's basically the equivalent for us to like 65 or 70 miles an hour. So pretty much the northern part of Vermont, where I am, is all mountains. And I guess we got the better end of the deal. We took all the mountains and we gave nothing to Canada. As soon as you get into Quebec, it is just flat as a pancake. This is like Midwestern United States out here. Just cornfield after cornfield after cornfield. Once in a while there will be some soybeans and that's it. So it's not terribly exciting here. So my battery died when I went inside, so I didn't get any videos inside, but this may be one of the coolest dealerships I've been to. I'll throw a few pictures on the screen that I took while I was in there with my phone. But you guys see that ramp over there? That's how you get to the service department. The service department is on the second story. And the entire top story is nothing but motorcycles. Hundreds of them. Hundreds. I've never seen so many in one place in my life. Except it may be a rally. And on the top floor is Indian and Kawasaki and KTM and Polaris. Like snowmobiles and stuff. Downstairs is all boats. And then upstairs, where you see those people sitting outside, that is a full, like, cafe and full bar that's all Indian motorcycle themed. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I did not get a chance to test ride the FTR. It's too late in the day. I will come back and do that another day. But I did get an oil change kit for the Chieftain, because scheduling a time to bring it up here was kind of a hassle, and there's also partly a language barrier there with everybody speaking French and not very good English, and I speak hardly any French. I did take French in high school, but I've forgotten like 90% of everything I learned. So rather than setting that all up, I figured, well, let's just get an oil change kit, do it ourselves, and make a video for it on YouTube. So I'm going to do the oil change myself. I got the oil change kit up here because my American money is worth a lot more than Canadian. It was a deal. So I would have paid like 20 bucks more for it in the US. Instead, I just bought it here. I'll take it back with me. And I don't think there'll be any problem with that at the border. So we'll be good. Something's going on. I think the biker hit something. Or somebody hit the biker. See if this border check goes just as smoothly as coming into Canada. This little part of Canada right over the border, Freilisburg up to Richelieu, is a very pretty area. It's all wine country. Once you get out of those cornfields, it's actually a pretty nice area. That was a hawk just sitting next to the road there. That was cool. Let me out of Canada. There's an Indian dealer just up near Montreal, so I went up there.
Oh, okay. Bringing anything back from Canada?
I got some oil for my motorcycle when I was there. That's it.
All right. Have a good night.
Great. Thank you.
Sure.
was pretty easy. Let's get this switch back to, you know, usable numbers here, miles per hour. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, that's better. Miles per hour, miles per gallon. So much better. Well, that trip was nice. I got to see the dealership, rode through some pretty country in Quebec. That was all fun and easy enough to do. I think I'll be heading up to Canada a bit more frequently now that I know how easy the border crossing situation is. So that's going to do it for this short video, guys. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. It's a big red button down there. It says subscribe. Click the bell icon next to it. That'll give you guys notifications when there's new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. If you guys haven't checked out my store on Teespring, check it out. There's some MOTOBLADE merchandise over there. And I have a special video coming out this coming Monday for you guys with a surprise for a new project I'm working on that you guys will see coming up real soon. So stay tuned. Until next time, y'all know what to do. Ride safe, ride on. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.